Westfield residents got some life-saving help today. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Jennifer Paye was there as residents got their free smoke detectors.
The Westfield Fire Department teamed up with the American Red Cross today to install free smoke and carbon monoxide detectors to Westfield residents. 3 different Westfield fire crews went out to deliver and install these detectors. To qualify for the free detectors, your home had to be built before 1975 or your current smoke alarms had to be 10 years or older. The new smoke detectors will last up to 10 years. 22 News talked to a 101-year-old World War II veteran who was so happy Westfield takes good care of their residents.
I'm so pleased to know that senior citizens here in Westfield are taken care of so well. And this is another example of what they are always offering to help you out.
That's really old. Doesn't even have a date on it anymore.
Westfield deputies also made sure Louisa's smoke and carbon monoxide detectors were put low enough so she was able to reach them. And this process took about 15 minutes to install. Live in Westfield, meteorologist Jennifer Paye, 22 News.